Hey girls, welcome back to my podcast. Today we're doing something super fun, a full day with me. From beauty to cooking, from studying to chilling. This day is all about living, learning, and loving ourselves. So grab your earphones, your favorite drink, and let's spend the day together. Good morning, beautiful souls. It's a new day, a new chance to glow not just outside, but inside too. I always start my day by stretching a little. You know that first sunshine that touches your face? It feels like magic. Before I even touch my phone, I say a little thank you for the new day, for life, and for myself. Then it's skincare time, a gentle face wash. While doing skincare, I usually play my favorite morning playlist, soft music that makes me feel calm and confident. Now it's breakfast time. Honestly, girls, I'm not the best cook, but I love trying simple things. Today I'm making a smoothie bowl, banana, milk, oats, and some berries. Looks aesthetic, tastes amazing. Sometimes I just make a cup of coffee and toast with peanut butter. Cooking isn't just about food, it's like self-love. It's that moment you take for yourself before the world gets busy. I sit near the window, sip my coffee, and scroll through Pinterest, because that's where all my daydreams live. All right, let's talk about study time. I know, it's not always easy to sit and focus. But when I start with a clean desk and a to-do list, it feels easier. I usually light a small candle, put my phone on silent, and start studying with chill background music. I love using colorful pens and sticky notes. They make notes look so cute. If you're studying too, here's a tip. Take short breaks, drink water, and reward yourself after finishing each chapter. You deserve it, girl. And don't compare your speed with others. Everyone's journey is different, and that's totally okay. After study, I usually move a little. Sometimes yoga, sometimes a small walk on the terrace. It's like giving your mind mini vacation. Sunlight on your face, wind in your hair, these small things heal your mood instantly. I put on my favorite comfy outfit, tie my hair up, and just vibe. You can even dance for 10 minutes in your room. Trust me, it changes everything. Now comes my favorite part, lunch. I try to keep it simple and colorful. Maybe rice, veggies, or a salad. Cooking with music makes it 10x better. While eating, I usually watch a chill vlog or listen to something positive. And honestly, that midday silence, when you're just with your food and thoughts, it's peaceful. Sometimes, I text my friends and we plan something fun for the weekend. Because girl time is therapy time, right? After lunch, it's me time. A little skincare, hair care, or maybe painting my nails. Beauty isn't about perfection. It's about enjoying yourself. Sometimes I try a new hairstyle or apply a face mask while listening to soft music. It's so relaxing. And here's my favorite quote. You glow different when you love yourself. It's true. The moment you start taking care of you, everything else starts feeling better. Evening time is when I do what makes me happy, journaling, reading, or learning something new. I love writing about my day, what made me smile, what I learned, and what I want to improve. Sometimes I sit on the terrace, watch the sunset, and just breathe. That orange-pink sky feels like a hug from the universe. If you're listening right now, I want you to think, what made you smile today? Maybe a song, maybe a message, maybe just your reflection in the mirror saying, I did my best. Nighttime is my calm zone. I dim the lights, clean my room a little, and make it cozy. Fairy lights on, soft music, and a warm cup of milk or tea. Before bed, I do my skincare again, cleanse, tone, moisturize, because my skin deserves love after a long day. I also put my phone away 15 minutes before sleep and just relax. Sometimes, I write one line in my journal. I'm proud of myself today, because no matter what, I showed up. I did my best, and that's enough. And that's my full day, girls. A day filled with small things that make life beautiful, from skincare to study, from cooking to calmness. Remember, you don't need a perfect day to feel happy. You just need small moments that remind you you're growing, glowing, and going in the right direction. So take care of your heart, your mind, and your dreams. You are doing amazing, even if it doesn't always feel like it. This was your host, your name, signing off. If you liked spending the day with me, follow the podcast and share it with your girls.